Okay, let's wait for it. If I have to ask you, Namit Das, the actor, or Namit Das, the singer, or a musician, what would you wanna choose? And you have to choose one. There is no choice. You have to choose one.
I'm gonna make a third choice. Namit Das, the artist. I'm gonna combine
That's
these two,
that's politically correct.
and you can't be just functioning from the left brain.
True
You
that.
can't just be functioning on the right brain. You have to. It's a coordination between these two.
Hey guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live और आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक डे और आज हमारे साथ है नमित दास. मुझे लगता है इस दिन के लिए नमित से अच्छा कोई गेस्ट हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज ही बिलोंग्स टू अ प्रेस्टिजियस फैमिली दैट फैमिली ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस. नमित, हाउ आर यू एंड व्हाट हाउ यू डूइंग?
I am doing very good by the grace of God, the grace of this universe, grace of whoever is out there, whatever energy is out there, and I'm very happy. Um, but because last 2 months have been really tough. I tested positive in April, quarantined myself, and then after that, when I got out, the last month was really tough because I was fighting the after effects of COVID. But I'm out of it now, so I'm here and I am fully present.
Good to
And
see
talking
you.
to you.
Good to see you so energetic. So now आज हम म्यूजिक डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं तो tell us something more about your love for music.
I don't think it's defined. My relationship with music is defined by the word love. Let's just put it that way, that music actually runs in my blood.
Wow.
And I cannot live without music. And something that is so intrinsically part of you, you don't fall in love with that because you become that.
Wow.
Each time I do music, each time I perform music or I live with it, I think I become that music. And it can be any genre of music, it can be jazz, or it can be blues, or it can be Indian classical or ghazal, or something which doesn't have any words. I think I slowly melt down and that music becomes part of my memory. It becomes part of my consciousness. So when you ask me whether I love it or not, I don't know what to answer because I think in terms of music. Yeah, so it's like running inside me.
Wow, that's actually so pure. So with that, I think बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता that you actually have a band. तो मुझे उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए, लोगों को भी बताइए, so that people know what you are doing in music because people have more seen you as an actor. ये थोड़ा पर्दे के पीछे वाली बात हो जाती है. So आप थोड़ा बताइए कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं म्यूजिक की फील्ड में. I think आपने Suitable Boy के लिए भी म्यूजिक दिया है, which I absolutely loved it. So please tell us more about your gigs in music.
I have a band with Anurag Shankar, and this was, I think, back in 2013, 2014 when we had set up this band, and it was because of a chance meeting after a play, which is still running, which I do, called Stories in a Song, and it's a musical. And actually, what happened, it's a very long conversation. It's a very long answer. But what happened, to cut a long story short, what happened with me in college is that I ended up giving up music because somehow music was not giving me the right direction. And at that point of time, validation is a huge thing.
Right.
So, so what happened? Theater took over. And after that, before I knew it, I was into acting and I'd actually completely forgotten about music, but it was still there. I was listening to music but I was not doing it. Stories in a Song was a play which really brought that back. And Anurag Shankar and me, we collaborated. And I said that, hey, we have so many songs. I have so many songs which haven't been explored. And some of them are my compositions. Some of them were his compositions, and then there were a lot of compositions which were there in my family, and they were lying, and they were family songs actually,
Right.
which we used to sing always during family occasions.
Mm-hmm.
I said, do you? And he's like a modern jazz blues kind of a guitarist, and he had like a different vision for these songs, and that's how the band actually came into force. And this is obviously pre-COVID. pre-COVID times, I mean, we performed at NH7, we performed at Talbelia Festival, and we performed at many junctures, you know. And until last year, when the first wave was going on, we were actually producing music uh, from the comfort of our homes, actually.
Wow.
And then after August last year, it sort of died down again because I got busy with work. But it's still happening, and you won't believe. As I was getting out of COVID, I called up Anurag and I said, we need to do this, and we need to sort of get our second album out. There is an EP which is out, which you can look for on YouTube or on any other platform, Spotify or Apple. It's called Din Gaye. Those are just 5 songs which were produced like 5-6 years back. So that was our sound at that point of time. But now it's really changed. And I don't know actually what it would be, because I have not been in touch with Anurag, and I have not been in touch with that side of my life. But I will soon, because music happens, right? Music just happens to me.
Right.
I mean, most of the times, obviously, it's happening in my office while I'm playing the piano, but it'll come out soon. I'll start working towards that as well. It's really it is going to find its own space, you know. And the pandemic has been very cruel to a lot of people. But and what we haven't been talking about is that it has been very cruel to musicians, actors, and also essentially people who perform live, because the live experience is just it needs to have people, because if you don't have people, then you don't have a live experience. It's as simple as that.
Right.
But somehow musicians and everyone have been surviving. They've been doing, people have been live streaming, but it is tough. And thank God for me and my acting profession. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit, but we'll be back. I am back now. So we'll touch base and we'll start working on our album. And hopefully, I think by the end of this year, we should have it out in some form or the other.
Okay, let's wait for it. If I have to ask you, Namit Das, the actor, or Namit Das, the singer, or a musician, what would you wanna choose? And you have to choose one. There is no choice. You have to choose one.
I'm gonna make a third choice. Namit Das, the artist. I'm gonna combine these two.
That's politically correct.
I'm gonna combine these two, and I'm gonna say Namit Das, the artist, because I think music is whatever I do has music in it. Even the acting, actually.
Acting has a rhythm, yeah.
Even acting has a rhythm. I remember one of my very close friends from the theatre said something very beautiful, which was told to him by Karanji, who was the NSD chief at that point of time. He said, और मैं हिंदी में कहूँगा ये, कि एक्टिंग और सिंगिंग में क्या फर्क होता है. वो कहते थे कि एक्टिंग करो तो जब भी एक्टिंग आप कर रहे हो तो बोलो तो ऐसा लगे कि गा रहे हो.
अरे वाह.
और गाना ऐसी चीज है कि जब भी गाओ तो ऐसा लगे कि कुछ कह रहे.
Right.
And that has somehow stayed with me forever. That there is, I mean, both these things are somewhere complementing each other.
Right.
And that's why when you say that, you have to choose between me as the actor or the musician, I think both of these are sort of, the left brain and the right brain kind of a thing. You can't be just functioning from the left brain.
True,
you can't just be functioning on the right brain. You have to, it's a coordination between these two.
But
which lets you do a lot of stuff.
But is it okay to say that the acting came into your life afterwards? Like music was with you since you were born, and acting came afterwards when you say that you were not, music was not getting any direction in your life. Is it okay to say that?
Absolutely. Bang on. You're bang on. You've hit it right. Acting, in fact, came as a surprise. It still comes as a surprise because I am so nervous, because I feel that it's a very difficult job, to be someone else, to try to think like someone else. how does one do that? You know,
You do
I try
it,
to
you know
find.
it.
I try to find musicality in that. You know, that's one of the crutches, at least that I have mentally. You know, uh, but yeah, we keep doing it. I don't know, man. I really don't know. How does that happen? Yeah.